Well, I'm here today at Butter Bull Farms to talk about how we make bull butter. Now, some people say our bull butter is the best, and I have to agree. How do they do it? Here's how. Start with a little grade A heavy whipping cream. You take the whipping cream, coat the bottom of the pail with it. Delicious. Now, today we're feeding Buster. Buster's a big boy. We're gonna double down on the heavy whipping cream. Next, we're gonna give it to the Greek gods. We have Greek yogurt. Take a couple healthy scoops. Kind of get it in there, just like that. We want to stir that around just a little bit. Now we're looking for a nice, creamy consistency in here. Now, there's one key ingredient that everybody must have on a bull farm. Elmer's school glue. Now this really gives, it just gives you a little bit of that, I guess, stick-to-itiveness. Now when we feed these to the cows, well, they're bulls, but when we feed them to them, we need something to make sure that this sticks in their stomach. Sometimes it makes them vomit, but that's not gonna make their semen taste good. So we feed this to them, we put in a little bit of Elmer's glue, goes right in, and I tell you what, I've never seen bull butter come out so smooth as like it does with Elmer's glue. And that's pretty much it. Let's go feed them.